robots in motion. We're going to start with the blue alliance side of the field as we have 3 cones on the high node for our blue alliance. It's team 9094, that's the Earthquakers, working on balancing that charge station to match 272 for our red alliance. As our drivers jump in and take the controls, we're going to see 272 our red alliance already flying back into their community with the help of their partner Sabotage, scoring 2 game pieces on that grid as we head back towards the blue side of the field. The 4467 places a cone and 834 places a cube in the high nodes. We see a little bit of defense being played here in the middle of the field by 17-12. That's Dogma looking to slow down this blue alliance. However, team 4467 skirts right by them with that cone into their bricks. Focusing on the right side of the field, looks like 272 is making another cycle back to their feeder station looking for another game piece as we have team 1640 also looking for a little bit of defense along with 17-12. Back down to the blue side of the field, team 9094 as the Earthquakers working on placing that last cone needed to complete that second link for our blue alliance. Sticking with our blue alliance, 4467 has a cone in their grasp, flips that on over and shoots that cone directly down onto that middle node, scoring their third link. Over on the right side of the field, team 272, that's the Cyber Crusaders, working on scoring as quickly as they can as team 1640 springs back to life for our red alliance as they try to score as many game pieces as they can to catch up with the blue alliance as we head into the final 40 seconds of this match. Team 834 working on completing that last idle link onto that cube. Looks like it's making outside of that node. Heading back towards the red side of the field. Team 1640 with a cone in their grasp as does 272. Both of those cones drop. 1640 climbing high on that charge station with Dogma both patiently waiting for their alliance partner. On blue, it looks like we did complete that last link for team 834 with them and the Earthquakers climbing over our blue alliance with 2 balanced robots, and we have 3 balanced robots for our red alliance. 4467, let's see if they can get back to that community at the end of this